Okay, this tutorial is designed to help you both access Zoom and then once you have it downloaded on your device to sign into your child's Gmail account so that their Zoom name is linked to them. So the way you do that, if you are on like a smartphone or a iPad or even a school Chromebook, you go to the App Store and you're just going to type in Zoom. It'll come up here. It'll prompt you through the download sequence that you would normally do, just like any other app. Or if you're on an iPad, you can go into your if you're on a laptop, you can go into your web browser, type in Zoom in your browser. It's going to come up here. You want to click on download, and then you're going to download the app. For the purpose of our class, you only need the free Zoom. You do not need to upgrade. So if it asks you to upgrade, you do not need to do that because the free Zoom option will work just fine. So mine is already downloaded on my device. So I'm just going to click on my Zoom icon right here. Yours will say nothing. I'm going to show you actually how to create account for a new student, which you're going to do. So I'm going to press sign in. I'm going to go over here to sign in with Google. And every kiddo in the KPBSD has their own Gmail sign-in account that's linked to their student ID. So the way that you their email or their email address is really easy to remember. It's just their first name, and I'm going to do this for my daughter, sign her up for an account. So it's their first name, a dot, their last name, dot, and then at g.kpbsd.org. And so then I'm going to press next. And this is going to bring me up to the Kenai Peninsula Borough School District page where I have to type in their top number and their bottom number. And this information is going to be in the email that I sent you that has their passwords. This password or this login number and password is really important for you to remember because that is going to get you logged onto Canvas as well as Zoom. So you're going to type in their top number, which is their school ID, and then their bottom number, which if you, for some reason, are having a hard time bringing it up, it's the 2-digit the 2-digit day of their birthday, the 2-digit month of their birthday, and then finally the 2-digit year of their birthday. So I'm going to say sign in. So it's going to say, do you want to create an account? And I say, yes, create an account. And then it's going to bring me to this one. As long as you have your account, you're actually not going to be starting a video with me. You're going to be joining a meeting. I'm going to be sending you a ID or a link to a video. So once you're signed in, you'll just click up here. You will type in that link or copy and paste that link from the email that I send you or from the link that's on our Canvas course, and then it will allow you to join a video or a Zoom meeting. If you are having a hard time following these directions, there's also the paper. I'm going to attach a paper version of it that's step by step. You can just read through the directions on our website as well. Thanks.